Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about midpoint when they give you two endpoints of a line segment. Okay? Midpoint. So in this type of questions, they will give you two endpoints. So first point A and second point B. Midpoint is represented by M. It is an average of two endpoints. It is an average of two endpoints. So first point, we will label it as x1 comma y1. Second point is x2 comma y2. Okay. So now how we will find the midpoint is midpoint m equal to the formula is x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2 because midpoint will be the center of the two endpoints. So we are finding the average of the 2 points. So the formula is x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. Now coming to the first example. They gave you two endpoints AB as 2 comma 4 and 6 comma B as 6 comma 8. Means in a line segment, this is a line segment which has two endpoints. The first point is 2 comma 4 and B is 6 comma 8. And you're finding the midpoint M. Okay. So the first point we will label it as x1, y1. Second point is x2, y2. It's a coordinate point. Always we'll keep it in the parenthesis. Okay. Midpoint is the formula x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. What is x1 here? 2 because x1 is 2 and x2 is 6. 2 plus 6 divided by 2 and 4 plus 8 divided by 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 divided by 2 which is 6. Midpoint M is 4 comma 6. Is it clear? Second example. We have 14 comma minus 6 and 12 comma minus 3. Okay. So first step to write the first point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2. For any geometry questions, please write down the formulas. Then you will remember the concept forever. Most of the kids will write the formula on the top of the page and then they will try to solve the problems. But when you write the final test, then you will be in trouble for not remembering the formulas. Okay. Understand the formula and try to write down for every question so it's easy to get good scores. So first point we label it as x1 y1, second point we label it as x2 y2. When we write after writing the formula 14 plus 12 over 2 comma minus 6 minus 3 over 2. 14 plus 12 is 26 over 2 minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9 over 2. 26 divided by 2 is 13. We can leave it like a fraction, or if you want to write it as a decimal number, it is negative 4.5. Okay. The third example, 5 comma 7 and minus 3 comma minus 8. Okay. Then first step, label the points x1, y1, x2, y2. Write down the formula. Midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. 5 minus 3 over 2, comma, 7 minus 8 over 2. 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 by 2. 7 minus 8 is negative 1 over 2. 2 by 2 is 1, negative 1 by 2 is negative 0.5. Okay. This is the midpoint M. Fourth example. If you have 9x comma 3y, okay, and 7x comma negative 13y. Then first step, label the points x1, y1, x2, y2, okay. Write down the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. So what is x1 here? 9x plus 7x over 2, comma, 3y minus 13y over 2. What is 9x plus 7x? 16x divided by 2. 3y minus 13y is negative 10y divided by 2, which is 8, comma, negative 5y. 8x, comma, negative 5y. Okay, the answer can be in terms of variable also. Okay. I hope I gave you a clear idea about finding a midpoint when they give you two endpoints. Thank you so much for watching.